Hi guys, what's up? It's Chris and this is the hair tutorial channel, and this video is going to be all about metallics. So whether you're new to metallics or whether you've used them before, stay tuned for the tips and tricks that are going to help you get the best out of this product. Now if you are new to the channel, why not like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos just like this. Let's just do it. Now to achieve the true metallic look, you're going to need to pre-lighten the hair up to light blonde and then tone out any unwanted tone first. If you put them on pre-lightened white hair, you will get this fantastic shimmery metallic colour, and they truly are incredible when you can achieve it. So the metallics actually have 3 mixing ratios. You can mix them 1:1 and this will give you the deepest tone possible, and this goes on dry hair for 45 minutes. You can mix them 1 to 1.5 and put them on dry hair to get less of a tone, or you can put them on at 1 to 2 for 25 minutes on pre-washed towel dried hair. So it depends how vibrant you want the tone within the metallics to be. Yes, you can use them as toners to create these fantastic metallic looks, but even if you put them just on a base 9 or 10, you're not going to get the metallic look from them, but they are still fantastic toners and colours that you achieve. But again, they are so much more, and what I primarily use the metallics for is for intermixing them with my Infinity 1 to 10 range, and I have had some absolutely stunning results. Now, I think I've mentioned Let Lou in another video, and if you're not following him, then please follow Let Lou. He is an amazing stylist, and I'll put a video below where you can see some of the results that he got on the metallics for ASP. So they really are a versatile colour in every sense. One of my favourite mixes is mixing the copper rose into the 9026. It really personalises it and gives it a shine that is just unbelievable, and really does give you that true copper rose look. I also love putting my mahogany into various colours, into my 8.3, into my 8.44, into my 8.0. Well, I really play around with this, and I suggest you do too, because the results you get are fantastic. So if you're somebody that really likes to play around on cocktail, then these are the perfect palette for you. The only one that I don't play around with that much is the light violet, and the reason behind that is because obviously putting that onto anything other than a very clean base, you stand the chance of getting a green colour. So when you can get a nice clean base, again it gives you a beautiful colour and it's a beautiful toner, but I haven't played around with mixing it into many other colours because of this. However, if you have, why don't you join me at Monty1to1 on Instagram and post your pictures, tag us in it so that we can all see your results.